Welcome to the journey of mastering the Level A1 test of German language using funny songs. There is an entertaining song with easy lyrics for every lesson. That way you can learn German quickly with a song and a smile on your lips. Learn new words in handy portions with pleasure. We make the grammar a piece of strawberry cake for you. For best results, visit our free language course as often as possible. Welcome aboard! Let's have a quick listen to today's song. You'll hear it in full at the end of today's lesson.
Grammar is a piece of cake. You will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student.
Learning requires constant recapitulation. In the last lesson, you learned the following. All German nouns start with a capital letter. You know some feminine nouns, and you can say, something is here. Grammar is a piece of cake. We continue with the spelling. In the last lesson, you have learned the words
Die Flasche, die Sonne, die Uhr.
You might have noticed that these words are pronounced a little bit differently than they are spelled. The combination of the letters sch results in a one new sound like in the English word wish.
Die Flasche,
The double letters in n are pronounced as a single n,
die Sonne,
and the h in the last word is not pronounced at all.
die Uhr.
There are many rules for spelling the words in German. However, it is not necessary for you to learn all of them now. Just always listen to the pronunciation and compare what you hear with the written text. Gradually, you will come across some spelling rules on your own. Relax, the rules are usually always the same, they don't change from word to word. For example, the letters sch are always pronounced the same.
Die Flasche, der Tisch,
And the h after a vowel is not pronounced at all. A vowel is one of the letters a, e, I, o, and u. Like in.
die Uhr.
That's enough grammar for today. Let's learn some more vocabulary. Time for some new vocabulary. Please listen to the following text and try to memorize the German words and expressions. We learn now some neuter nouns and how to say, this is over there. You remember, all German neuter nouns use the article, das. The glass,
Das Glas,
the house,
das Haus,
the child,
das Kind.
this is over there.
Das ist dort.
The child is over there.
Das Kind ist dort.
Please listen once again and repeat the German words.
The glass, das Glas. The house, das Haus. The child, das Kind. This is over there, das ist dort. The child is over there, das Kind ist dort.
Now it's your turn. Please, listen to the English words and expressions, and then tell me the correct German translation. The glass,
Das Glas,
the house,
das Haus,
the child,
das Kind.
this is over there.
Das ist dort.
The child is over there.
Das Kind ist dort.
You are doing great. You need some more challenge? How do you say in German? The tree is over there.
Der Baum ist dort.
The house is here.
Das Haus ist hier.
This is the sun. The sun is over there.
Das ist die Sonne. Die Sonne ist dort.
Wow, impressing. You will learn German fast, that's for sure. Please listen to the following German text and then repeat it out loud. It is crucial for your success that you speak out loud and don't just repeat in your mind.
Das ist das Haus. Das ist das Kind. Das ist das Glas. Der Baum ist hier. Das Kind ist dort. Die Uhr ist hier. Das ist dort.
Please repeat one more time.
Das ist das Haus. Das ist das Kind. Das ist das Glas. Der Baum ist hier. Das Kind ist dort. Die Uhr ist hier. Das ist dort.
Please pause this video, subscribe to our channel. Copy the following text into your notebook and fill in the gaps with the correct words. Have you entered the correct words? That's phenomenal. You are my best student. You have learned a lot today. Now you know some spelling rules, you know some neuter nouns, and you can say, something is over there. Finally, it's time for our new song called Grammar is a Piece of Cake. That means that in our course we make learning grammar very easy for you. Listen, sing, enjoy.
Das ist das Haus, das ist die Sonne, das ist der Tisch. Grammar is a piece of cake, you will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student. Das ist das Glas, das ist die Flasche, das ist der Hund. Das ist das Kind, das ist die Uhr, das ist der Baum. Grammar is a piece of cake, you will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student. Das ist das Kind, das ist die Uhr, das ist der Baum. Das ist das Kind, das ist die Uhr, das ist der Baum. Grammar is a piece of cake, you will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student. Die Flasche ist hier, der Hund ist hier, die Sonne ist dort. Das ist das Haus. Das Haus ist dort. Das Glas ist hier. Das ist das Kind. Das ist die Uhr. Das ist der Baum. Grammar is a piece of cake. You will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student. Now you know what is here. You know as well what is over there. Das ist das Kind, das ist die Uhr, das ist der Baum. Grammar is a piece of cake, you will learn German fast and quickly. You are my best student.
Have you enjoyed the course today? You're about to learn German fast. You will learn even faster if you subscribe to our channel. See you again soon.